Look at those golden shiny chicken wings. They're incredibly delicious and tasty. Hi, I'm Ken-Man. Today we're making grilled chicken wings. I chose whole chicken wings for this dish because they look great and taste great. For the best flavor, marination is very important. First, take a small onion, slice it against the grain into stripes. Grab some garlic, cut them into thin slices. Then add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder. Mix all the seasonings thoroughly. Also massage the chicken wings to help them absorb the marinade. Then cover the chicken wings and refrigerate them overnight for at least 3 hours. The next day, we can grill the chicken wings. Remove all the onion and garlic. Skewer the chicken wings one by one. This helps us to grill more evenly. Then place them on the baking tray. Are they ready to grill now? No. Before grilling, brush a thin layer of oil on the wings to lock the juice inside. Then preheat the oven to 395 Fahrenheit and grill the wings for 15 minutes. This initial cooking process will help sealing the flavor. After 15 minutes, take the chicken wings out. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of hot water. Brush the honey glaze evenly on both sides. This will add sweetness and beautiful color. Then flip all the wings and grill for another 15 minutes. At this point, the chicken wings will be fully cooked. But for better color and flavor, we need to brush some honey water again after the second 15 minutes. Brush gently and evenly. Then flip them again. Now set the oven temperature to 430 Fahrenheit and grill for the final 15 minutes. This will give them a beautiful golden brown color and a crispy exterior. Time's up! After a total of 45 minutes, our grilled chicken wings are ready. Let me try first. Whoa! Super golden, shiny, crispy outside and juicy, tender, flavorful inside. There are many ways to cook chicken wings, but this recipe will definitely impress you. You'll love it if you try it. I'm Ken-Man. See you next time.